TPM3D has launched new edition of SLS printed sample kit. The casing is made of shockproof and waterproof PP material. The interior features custom-cut sponge lining, providing excellent protection for the samples. This set of sample cases consists of a total of 22 model samples, printed with 11 different materials. The application spans across various, includes industrial, medical, consumer electronics, cultural innovation, etc. Surgical guides printed using biocompatible nylon 12 can be applied in the clinical field. The Rubik's Cube is printed using black nylon 12 material, comprised of 27 modules of varying types, sizes, and structures, with chemical vapor smoothing post-processing, showcasing the quality and effectiveness of TPM3D printing. The original 3D printed test piece consists of 3 distinct regions, each with unique features, and added a dragon pattern to the bottom. 2 samples printed with black nylon 11. One of them is spring, demonstrates the material's toughness. The other is the drone frame with chemically vapor smoothing, has a smooth surface and increased impact resistance. This is a scaled-down engine intake manifold, printed with nylon 6 powder, offering superior mechanical strength, high temperature resistance, and chemical durability, making it ideal for use in engine applications. This electric tool is printed by glass-reinforced nylon 12 powder, with 2 parts undergoing post-processing treatments, sandblasting and chemical vapor smoothing. The car wiring harness contactor is printed using flame-retardant nylon 12 Matterider, achieving UL 94 V0 flame retardant rating. The keyboard model printed with TPU material underwent chemical vapor smoothing on its surface, showcasing the excellent resilience of TPU. Another TPU model is a pediatric orthopedic insole, designed to provide scientifically sound support for children's arches, improving flat fit conditions. The surface can achieve injection molding-like results through chemical vapor smoothing treatment. The pipe connector is printed with PP material, with internal compartments for better organization. PP material has low density and water absorption, making it ideal for consumer goods and automotive parts. This year's sample kit has 2 intriguing small brushes, one made of universal-grade nylon 12, with a thickness of only 0.3 mm, offering high strength and resilience. The other is made of TPU material, with fine hair strands, providing a fascinating tactile experience. We also have material samples to showcase the effects of printing with different materials. The final negative stiffness structure model was printed using nylon 12 material, allowing for continuous compression and rebound. Okay, here is our new sample kit. Do you like it? If you are interested in this sample box, please feel free to contact us.